Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna do a really fast recipe on some summer rolls that I absolutely love to make. So summer rolls have always been one of my favorite things when I go to restaurants and order them, but sometimes I don't love the ingredients inside. So these ones are super versatile. You can make them however you want. You can include veggies, you can include different kinds of protein. If you have any questions on my process, just let me know in the comments. This is just a quick recipe to get you guys through. A lot of times I'll just put some of my leftover stuff that I had made for salads the night before, throw them in the summer rolls, add either some rice or some pasta, any kind of grain, just to give it a little more sustenance. Try them out and I'm sure you're gonna love them as much as we do. So here I'm cutting up the bell pepper, just in little matchsticks to make it easy to put inside. I'm also cutting up the cucumber in the same kind of style. And now it's time for the zucchini. I absolutely love zucchini all year round, but especially in the summer because it's so cooling. I shred it to make it easy to spread around in the summer rolls. I cut up a half of an avocado and I'm scooping it out with a spoon and setting it aside. Now it's time to start the wraps. So I heated up some water in my kettle and I'm pouring the water on a plate. I put the wrap in and make sure that it is completely submerged. I kind of move it around a bit just to make sure that all the edges are wet and lie it on a plate. Next I put on some of my cauliflower noodles and started layering on the veggies. Here I also added some broccoli and carrot slaw. I like to mix up the different veggies in various rolls, but overall, it's pretty similar. I always like to put on an avocado, and now it's time to wrap it. You want to wrap it up like a burrito and do it pretty tightly. Sometimes it falls apart, but that's totally fine. The wrap is really sticky, and so it'll stick together for the most part. This one is just a veggie one, but I also want to do some smoked salmon. So I put it on top, and once again, just roll it up. You do want to make sure the sides are packed in pretty tightly though. And again, just roll. And you are ready to go. So here are all of the different summer rolls I made. I did 3 different varieties. And now for the sauce. So I made a Sesame Ginger Sauce. I just put some of a pre-made sauce in there, added some peanut butter, added some Miso Dressing, and stirred it all up. I also added a little bit of spice, and there you go. Top it with cilantro, cut the rolls in half, and these are literally to die for.